Hi guys, I'm Shmee. Hello, welcome back to the channel and welcome today to a video where we're going to be talking about the growing problem of car theft. And to demonstrate this, we're actually going to be doing a little experiment to show you quite how easily a car like my Focus RS can literally be stolen. This is becoming a massive problem across the globe. Millions of cars are being stolen per year because of these keyless access fobs. You find them now in cars from Ford Fiestas and Volkswagen Golfs through Mercedes AMGs, BMW M's, Range Rovers and even supercars. Now criminals can all too easily get their hands on the equipment that is required for cars to vanish from a driveway or a car park in literally moments, which is what we're going to see today. We're joined by somebody from the SCM, the Certification Institute here in the Netherlands, during our visit to Fleet Access to see just how this works and how easily it can be done. And then later on, we're also going to show you a solution to this problem from Keyless Protector. So I'm a little bit anxious. Fortunately, my car is going to be returned, but let's find out just how easy this is and what you can do about it. Before we get to the actual demonstration of my car being stolen in front of my very eyes, let me give you a quick demonstration and reminder as to the key fob. Now they work differently from one car to the next, but in the case of the Focus, you've got the physical buttons to unlock it, the lights blink and the mirrors unfold, or of course to lock the car. Then you can pop the key fob away into your pocket, as many would do, or into a handbag, then come round to the side of the car where you have the keyless door handles. Press your hand on the back, it will unlock, and you can just jump into the car, or if it's closed, press your thumb right there and it will lock itself back away. Now with it still in your pocket, that's where you can just climb in, take a seat and use the magical start-stop button, and this is why it all becomes far too easy later on. So all I've got to do, hit the button and it comes into life. So you can see more or less how, if you were able to replicate that radio frequency, how you might be able to get away with this. So what I'm going to do for the moment actually is shut this back off, because we're going to head inside to see how exactly this works. And yeah, let's just make sure it's locked for the minute. That's definitely locked, exactly how I would leave it at any moment, always checking that the mirrors are folded, but that is not all. All right. Hi Henk, how's it going?
Hi Tim, I'm fine, how are you?
Very good. Nervous, excited, anticipation to see how this is going to work.
All right, just put your key on the table, we'll do it right away.
Okay, so just like I've got home or something,
Exactly.
Key down on my counter, on my desk, wherever it may be.
Yes, and then follow me to your own car.
Yeah? Is this going to happen literally in a matter of seconds?
Yes, it is.
So...
Put on my device.
Yeah.
Put it on.
Wow.
And you see it.
You've actually just unlocked my car.
Yes. Can I start it?
Yeah, sure, if you can. No way. No way.
Yes,
that was literally... And now you could just drive off.
I can.
The key is inside. And there's no spare key. The spare key is not here, I promise.
I'll lock it for you too. Here it is.
I'm a bit speechless. That was...
Yeah, it's terrible, isn't it? You're laughing about it, but it's really terrible.
I'm laughing in shock. I'm laughing in shock and surprise that you've not had to do no work.
It's just like I own the key and I own the car. And this is the new key.
The example of that is right outside someone's house, on a driveway, yes. Parked on the street outside a house. Could you even get a person walking into a shop in a car park?
Yes, you could.
So you could, and...
The distance to the key itself from the first tool is like a couple of meters. The distance between the key and the car could be hundreds of meters. Yeah, understood. Wow. Just absolute wow. Can you just do it again? Does it, yes.
It keeps working?
It's still on, so.
Yeah. Literally has to get the signal, unlocks itself. I'm absolutely, I'm just going to point at the exhaust because I knew it was going to work. It's literally that simple. And this is, the problem is that criminals can get their hands on this equipment. And I'm just, you can see, I personally know people, and it's locked again, I personally know people whose cars have been stolen this way, and you would have no idea. You could go to sleep at home.
There's no damage at all, you're just gone and your car is gone.
And that's it.
They steal all the stuff inside your car. Steering wheel, airbag, navigation system.
Headlights, all the expensive parts.
Yes. they lock it again, they wait 3 weeks, they come back for the new stuff which is installed already.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
And this is not a problem that is specific to Focus RS in any way. This is pretty much every car, isn't it?
Every keyless car.
Every
and
keyless.
Keyless start, keyless entry.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow. Well, that was a live demo in person of just how quickly that can be done. We're going to do another demo of this, so I have here the key to the very lovely Audi SQ5 that is parked just outside. Is this going to work in exactly the same way?
It will, yes indeed.
Okay, so I'm going to pop this key right down here, near my focus key, which still hasn't moved.
I'll change the frequency to the one of the Audi.
Okay, so that's the main key for the car. The second key for the car is here on the counter. Let's come straight on out then, without touching the keys, and give this a go with, well, this very nice spec, very expensive Audi. Wow, literally again, a matter of seconds. That's quite terrifying, the simplicity.
Yeah.
And now, if the car wasn't boxed in, away it could be driven and just vanishing. A nice new Audi SQ5. Goodness, it's actually quite breathtaking that
yes,
it can be done.
You don't have to have any skills at all. Just open the car as you usually do, and it will unlock and it will start.
Absolutely, well, genuinely terrifying is the word here. Terrifying, completely the word. And
now lock it again.
Locked, just like that. So, that's the problem. Let's find a solution. Having had a live demonstration of just how easily relay attacks allow a car to be stolen, let's take a look now at the solution from Keyless Protector. And then afterwards, I'm going to challenge Henk again to see if he can either open the cars or get them started up. But I rather suspect that is going to be impossible. Find out very shortly. So behind me here on the table, we have the systems from Keyless Protector. They've got two different options, one of which is previously installed into this one of the Audi keys. The new system, which is going to be available very soon, we've just installed into my Ford key. So to show you inside the box and what exactly it is, you have this magical chip which basically surrounds the battery inside the key and under different conditions allows them to go to sleep, which means they're not emitting anything for that device to sync up and allow the criminal to steal the car from outside. So let me just take both of these out to give you a demonstration of exactly how this works with each of the cars. So this one, the new system, is based on motion. While it's moving around like this, literally if I just keep moving, come over to the car, I'm going to pop it up onto the roof for a second, it will unlock and lock as per normal. When it's been left to sit for 3 minutes, it is not going to work anymore. The key is going to go to sleep. In the meantime, I'm going to come over and show you on the Audi. This system doesn't work purely by motion, so right now it's not going to unlock. That car is locked. What I need to do is pop that key into my pocket here, just squeeze it in. It has a system whereby you have to tap it twice, a second apart, and then the car is unlocked and works. How good is that as a security system? Lock it again, then basically with the key, as you walk away from it, it detects when you've taken 30 steps. So by waving it around, I'm effectively mimicking taking a whole series of steps. I haven't actually been counting, but you'll get the point in a second. When you've done that, if you come back to the car, it will no longer unlock. The key has gone to sleep. It will also go to sleep as well after a couple of minutes. So the solution you see here is a system that basically doesn't let you get in the car, and in a couple of minutes I'm going to give you a demo of how the Focus One is working. This has now had the 3 minutes that it requires, so without touching the key, hand on the back of the door handle, and it's no longer opening. We can't open this at all. However, if I pick it up, give it some motion, it should unlock immediately. Yep, that definitely did the job. So what I'm actually going to do now is lock the car. The Audi is still locked. Take both keys back inside here at Fleet Access, the Dutch distributor, and see if Henk is able to come outside again if I put these back on the table and open up either of the cars. I'm back with Henk, which means it is time now for the challenge.
Yes, it is.
So what we're doing is just like if you came home, the keys have been left now on the table for more than 3 minutes. So with the Keyless Protector system, they've gone to sleep. The spare key has been taken far away, so that's not going to be interfering. And the system is set up exactly as it was earlier. So what are we going to try first?
Let's try the Ford.
Let's do it. And I'm absolutely hoping that this is not going to work. It's not going to be possible to unlock the car now using the relay attack system. Earlier when we did this, it was literally a case of hand on the door handle and it unlocked. Let's see.
I see that the car's asking for a key.
Yep.
but the key is not responding. So this car is safe now.
That is exactly what I wanted to hear. Mission success. The car can't be unlocked using this system. Amazing. So should we try the Audi?
Yes, please. I have to change the frequency.
Yep, of course. And this is a big thing that you're doing, particularly here in the Netherlands.
Yes, it is. From the 1st of July, we will not accept new models on our list of approved vehicles which are sensitive for this method.
Okay.
That also means that within 1 year, the existing models will be stopped being on the list if they are sensitive for this method.
Okay, wow, really ahead of the game.
Yes, we are.
So, should we try it?
It's on Audi, so let's try it.
And fingers are all crossed that this is not going to unlock. We're going to have one safe, expensive Audi. So.
Again, I can see the car asking for a key, but the key is not responding.
So it's locked?
It's locked and it stays locked.
That is perfect.
It's good, yes.
Fascinating to see the real demonstration of this using, well, the equipment that you have here. Absolutely amazing as to, well, firstly, how the criminals and thieves can use this kind of system to steal a car, but now seeing also how you can prevent it in person. That's a real demonstration.
Sure. Yeah.
All that's left now is to give you a demonstration again with the keys to show you that Keyless Protector has done exactly what it's supposed to. So I'm going to start off first with the Focus. This key has now been moved, so in theory, yep, unlocked immediately, nice and easily. Lock it again, job done. For the Audi, I'm going to have to put the key back inside my pocket to give it the double tap. So the way you do this literally has to be stationary. That's the idea. So if I squeeze it back inside my pocket here, the type of tapping you need to do is just like that, and in theory we can unlock it and jump back in nice and easily. Close that back up, lock it again. Mission success. Really fascinating to see how the Keyless Protector system works, but also how unbelievably easy it is for criminals to steal these kind of cars. It's really actually disturbed me earlier how it can be done with that equipment, which has become just too easy for them to obtain. So be sensible, guys. Secure your cars, get a Keyless Protector, get a system that is going to make it impossible for these kind of cars to be taken. They're leading the way here in the Netherlands. A big thanks to Henk, and also of course to Fleet Access, who have hosted us today, who are the largest security installer here in the Netherlands. If you'd like to know more about Keyless Protector, the link is in the description down below. You'll be able to get one there for your local market. So thanks again for watching, guys. I hope you've enjoyed and learnt something from this video, and I'll see you again very soon. Cheers.